Welcome back to the channel. My name is David with Side of Tech, and it's been a little minute since I've seen you guys. So what's new? You guys lose any weight? Garrett, Alan. And in today's video, we're gonna be going over the Beats Fit Pro. These earbuds are going for $199.99. We're gonna be going over some key features, pros and cons of the earbuds. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and give my opinion and my overall rating for the product. And if all that sounds good, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I really wanna earn that subscription today. And also go ahead and check out all my social media. I'll have it all listed down in the description below, as well as any of the products that I mentioned in the video, including these earbuds. And if all that sounds good, let's go ahead and check them out. Alright, so what comes in the box? First of all, you get the Beats Fit Pro earbuds, which might I add looks really amazing in this black and red colorway. You also get your silicone ear tips, and that comes in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, while medium is already pre-installed onto the earbuds. You also get your Beats charging case, which I am a huge fan of because it has very minimal branding, just the Beats logo on the top. You get your USB-C charging cable, which is really funny because it's a pretty short cable, but hey, at least they give you one. And hell yeah, they give you a Beats logo sticker. You guys know I am a huge fan of stickers. The last things in the box are some Beats literature and also 3 months free of Apple Music, which a lucky viewer can go ahead and use. You're welcome. The Beats Fit Pro feature the H1 chip, which really makes connecting to your phone a breeze. Not only that, you also get automatic switching between devices, and also you get Hey features. Hey, what came first, the chicken or the egg? Wow, I didn't know that. Thanks, Siri. And of course, these earbuds include Find My, which is Apple's own location finder. All your main actions are controlled by the switch on each side of the earbuds. It's a really tactile switch that provides really good feedback, kind of like the Airpods stem. Alright guys, so the audio you're hearing right now is from my main mic. It's my Video Pro mic from Rode. So right now we're gonna switch on over to the Bluetooth earbuds, the Beats. We're gonna go ahead and see how that sounds right now. So how do I sound? I know that these earbuds kind of pick up a little bit more background noise. It's not as directional as like a shotgun mic might be. But yeah, let me know how I sound. Hello. Not gonna sing. More features that are included are the automatic play and pause whenever you're listening to music, and the buds themselves also feature a flexible wingtip, which really keeps the earbuds nice and secure. The earbuds also have an IPX4 rating, so that's rated for sweat and water resistance, which is a really nice peace of mind if you ever have an accident with your earphones. One of the best features is the active noise cancellation that these earbuds have, allowing you to cancel any noise around you that might interfere with your everyday activities. You also get a really great transparency mode if you long press the side button on your ear, which really lets you hear the world around you and is honestly really convenient. And the last of the sound features included is spatial audio, which really lets you get immersed in the music that you're hearing with that dynamic head tracking. Now the last of the key features we're going to cover are regarding the charging. With the earbuds themselves, you're going to get 6 hours of listening time, and that's with active noise cancellation turned on. Add on the 18 hours provided by the charging case, and you're going to get a total of 24 hours of listening time. Need to go to the gym and forgot to charge your earbuds? No worries, a quick 5-minute charge of the earbuds can give you up to 1 hour of playback. And did I mention this charges via USB-C? Awesome. Now we're going to cover the pros of the earbuds and why I think they're on par or maybe even better than the AirPods Pro, because these are basically a Beats attempt at AirPods, which by the way is owned by Apple. The number one thing I love about these earbuds is that they do not come off whenever you are doing very physical activities like working out or just working around the house. They stay perfectly in place, unlike my AirPods Pro, which fall out every single time. The IPX4 rating also lets you know that you're protected from splashing water, which is a really nice peace of mind. I mean, I'm not gonna go swimming in these things, but sweating from a really heavy workout and you're covered. I also love the feeling of the physical button on these earbuds. They're just so tactile and really nice and easy to use. Now we move on to the cons of the product. As you all know, most modern AirPods have wireless charging, and it's the number one way that I recharge my AirPods. So knowing this, I really cannot understand why Beats did not include wireless charging in the product. Would it really have been that hard to include a coil at the bottom of the charging case? I really hope not. The earbuds also do pick up a lot of dust when you pull them out of your pocket, and it does get pretty annoying trying to clean them every time I do that. The case's quality is also not on par with the AirPods Pro, as it does feel a little bit cheap. The plastic used on the Beats Fit Pro is not as rigid as the AirPods Pro. The case also did slip out of my hands on more than one occasion, which kind of sucks because you're not 100% sure if it's secure in your hands. Although these gripes were minor, I just feel like Beats could have easily avoided them, especially with wireless charging. That one still hurts. Alright guys, so now that I talked about the key features, the pros and cons of the earbuds, who would I recommend this product to? So my recommendations fall on two current situations. One, if you don't own any AirPods Pros, and also if you're looking for the best workout earbuds and you're considering this option. So for the first situation, if you don't own any AirPods Pros and you're currently looking at these two products, first see if the AirPods Pros are on sale. If they're going for around the same price, I would probably pick up the AirPods Pros. They're just a little bit more versatile, the case is a lot smaller, and they're easier to take around town or on an everyday basis. And also, if you already own AirPods Pros and then you're trying to pick these up, these are the perfect workout earphones. Toss in the Beats Pros and you'll experience basically the same type of experience as the AirPods Pros offer you. And they also sound perfect for every type of workout music, hip hop, EDM, pop music, you know, the stuff that gets you going. And now moving on to the overall rating of the Beats Fit Pro, I rate my products based on, do they bring you a good value compared to the price? Do the pros outweigh the cons? And also, what's the overall handling of the product? My overall value of this product, I rate it an easy 5 out of 5. The overall package that you're getting here from Beats is pretty incredible. And for $50 cheaper than AirPods Pros, you know, this is an easy pickup if you're looking for your next workout earbuds. Now, do the pros outweigh the cons? I rate this an overall of 4. Like I said before, you have the AirPods Pro in workout version form here, so it brings everything that the AirPods Pro brings. And just the little things that bug me, like the little gripes of not having wireless charging or anything like that, it's something that you can overlook and still use the product to its full effect. Now, the handling of this product is pretty average. I'm rating this a 3. And yeah, this case definitely does not compare to the AirPods Pro case, but it is serviceable and, you know, it'll get the job done, but definitely not one of the best highlights of the product. And with all the scoring into consideration, my overall score for the Beats Fit Pro is a 4 out of 5. I feel like Beats really knocked it out of the park with this product. The Power Beats line was really incredible and I really love that product line, but I just feel like these earbuds, the Beats Pro, they really take it up a notch. And I really like the trajectory that Beats is going now, so I really hope they keep it up. Alright guys, and I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate you guys interacting with me in the comments, and I really love talking to you guys. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to comment down below. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and also follow me on all my social media. I'll have them all listed down in the description below. Alright guys, and with all that being said, this is David serving you a little side of tech, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.